Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up on ByBit and AntBot, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to deposit USDT for both ByBit and AntBot. After that you can start API binding, and lastly start the bot and profit. So right here you can see on my phone you need to have ByBit application and AntBot. You can search it in your Apple Store or Google Store and just download them. For iPhone guys, you need to watch this video first because iPhone is a little bit different. You need to download a different application to install AntBot into iPhone. I'll put a link down below if you are using iPhone. So once you have these two applications, you want to open up ByBit first. And if you haven't have Bybit account, I'll put a link down below. It's a referral link guys. If you use my link, I will give you a private futures trading training, as well as some bonuses and also private Telegram group if you are using my link down below. As you can see, as for now, there are some gift sign up bonuses. You can get them by using the link down below. Now, you can click on this asset here and you can see the sign up button. Click on that. Make sure you put in your verification code. And then you can say if you are new or if you are experienced. I will put I'm new. There is a security log. You can enable this if you want to. And there you go. You already signed up guys. You have your account inside Bybit. And next is that you want to open your account with AntBot as well. So this is the bot that we are using. You can watch this video to sign up for AntBot. Again, I'll put a link down below. You can use the link down below. And by the way, you can see here, you can get free reward. Okay, if you use my link and you top up energy, later I'm going to show you how you can top up energy. You can see right now I have free energy. You can actually buy energy in here. You can see there are many different tiers of energy. I recommend starting off with $100, starting from the lowest one first, and then you can move up later.